step into the Kia 2020 Soul X. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth and clock, in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.